Hey everybody, welcome to the garage. I just wanted to give a quick update on the F100 Uni-body, since you can see it's not sitting in front of me anymore, and also what's new to come for 2020. So first things first, the F100 has just been moved over to our other garage. We're continuing working on it, just getting some of the final details together so we can get it cruising for the summer coming up. Our next project for 2020 is my old 93 Ranger, which me and my team built a full tube chassis for and got a Ford Performance 302 crate engine that we're going to be installing in it. In this video, I'm not doing much besides prepping the block for sealing and painting and a couple close-ups of the chassis that we'll be working on. So thanks for subscribing and stay tuned.
Here is go back. What we do here is go back.